In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify. To begin, you will need access to your Shopify store dashboard. So the first thing you should do is log into your Shopify admin. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct store account, because the settings and apps you install will be tied to the specific store you are logged into. Once you are inside, you will be looking at the main admin home screen where Shopify shows navigation and common tools. Next, find the left sidebar menu. This is where Shopify places most of the options you will use during setup. Look down the left side until you see an item called Apps. Click on Apps to open the section where you can manage installed applications and also install new ones. This step matters because the customer registration form feature will be added through an app, not through a standard setting alone. After you click Apps, you will see the Apps page with tools for searching and browsing. Now you will search for a specific app named Helium Customer Field. In the search area on that page, type Helium Customer Field. Then press Enter or click the search action, depending on how your screen is set up. You want to make sure the app name matches exactly, because Shopify can show similarly named results. Once the search results appear, select the Helium Customer Field app. At this point, you will typically see an app details view or a button that starts the installation process. Click the relevant option to open the installation flow. This is the step where you confirm you are installing the correct application intended for customer form fields and registration-related customization. After you choose the app, you will see an Install button. Click Install. Shopify will then guide you to a permissions screen. Permissions are important because they explain what the app can access in your store, and they help you understand the level of access the app requires to function properly. Now, review the permissions screen briefly. Look for the general categories of what the app will be allowed to do, such as reading or updating certain customer-related information. If everything looks appropriate and consistent with what you intend to accomplish, click Install on the permissions screen to confirm. This confirmation step completes the app installation and allows Shopify to connect the app to your store. You might see a short loading period while Shopify installs the app. During this time, it is best not to refresh the page or close the tab, because that can interrupt the installation. When installation is complete, you will be returned to a page that indicates the app was successfully installed, or it may show additional setup options, depending on the app workflow. At this stage, you have completed the key setup groundwork by installing the app that will help you build the customer registration form you want. From here, you would typically move into the app configuration and form setup inside the installed application. However, in the steps provided for this portion of the process, the main requirement is successfully installing the app through your Shopify admin. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.